Rajshekar Reddy was a very great leader, sir. And I know that Bhatti Saab is a staunch follower of Rajshekar Reddy Saab because I've seen him, sir. And it was Rajshekar Reddy, sir, who came in power, and I was there, and I remember still Rajshekar Reddy Saab's speeches, Roshaya Saab's speeches about this IMG Bharat, sir, and they were the people who wanted to cancel. The reason क्या था मालूम साहब इसका? कंपनी फॉर्म हुई आज और ये जमीन मिल गई 2 दिन बाद. Am I right, sir? Right, sir? 2 दिन में सर. अब उसके पीछे बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग थे. अब वो इस हाउस में नहीं है, चले गए, अब दूसरी तरफ है. मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता, समझ गए भट्टी साहब मेरे दोस्त. So the legal dispute dated back to 2003 when the then TDP government allotted 850 acres of land on the outskirts of Hyderabad to the company for development of standard sports facilities, sir. However, 3 years later, the Congress government headed by Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy labeled the allotment as a scam and cancelled the land allotment along with the MOU. Pronouncing this verdict, the High Court found no merit in the writ petition and dismissed it, sir. An extent of 400 acres was allotted at Gachibowli, sir, in Sri Lingampalli Mandal, and 450 acres was allotted at Mamitpalli in Sarunagar Mandal, apart from land measuring 1 to 6 acres in the area of main road from Banjara Hills to Shilpavaram at the throwaway rate of 50,000 per acre. 50,000 per acre, sir. So the current land price in Gachibowli and Mamitpalli areas, I don't know, but still, because I'm not into real estate, so I really don't know, but I think 50 crores per acre to hoga, 50 crore ke upar to hoga, sir. And 850 acres are worth, sir, 42,500 crores. 42,500 crores. वो आप जो बोल रहे थे ना, बता रहे थे, KTR साहब बोल रहे थे. Right. So yay, this, sir. Sir, and sir, now the Telangana government can auction these parcels of land, sir, which are resumed by the authority for IMG Bharat. This may fetch a windfall of 42,500 crores. This may also provide much needed relief to the cash trap government, sir. और भी है सर, रेवेन्यू में जब आऊंगा मैं तो और बताता हूं, बहुत सारे मैं निकाल के लाया हूं सर, मैं पूरा बताता हूं कौन सी जमीन, कौन सी कैसी जमीन. एक जमीन ऐसी थी ऑनरेबल स्पीकर सर, वो गैप एरिया में. गैप एरिया मीन्स गवर्नमेंट लैंड. Sir, it is also clearly saying when can a hawker street vendor be evicted? How should the eviction be done? Who will the hawker or street vendor be relocated? So can a hawker street vendor conduct their business? Sir, clear regulations hai. Sir, no eviction or relocation unless 30 days notice. Chapter 4, section 18/3, sir. It is very clear in this, sir. Madam was saying that no notices are being given. This is a violation of the Supreme Court order, sir. Right from the existence of Hydra, the Hydra has been violating and taking the law in its own hand. And the Hydra has acted as if it is not the Telangana government's agency, but it is acting as if it is of some भारतीय जनता पार्टी, you know, that bulldozer की जो सरकार बोलते हैं, बुलडोजर सरकार, जहां जा रही है बुलडोजर चली जा रही है, जहां जा रही है बुलडोजर चली जा रही है. Sir, it cannot happen like that, sir. Sir, and then provide the list, challan of items seized, sir. Provide the list and the challans of items seized, sir. Chapter 4, 19/1, sir. Items to be returned within 2 days of claim after the fine, but same day of the claim in case of perishable items. Chapter 4, section 19/3. So everything is there. So have we created an agency to violate the Supreme Court order, sir? Sir, not only this, sir. Sir, I would like to question, sir, and ask, sir. Sir, enforcement, vigilance and disaster management of GHMC. Sir, I would like to know, he was made as a EVDM, sir. I do not want to name the officer, sir, because, you know, it doesn't look nice to name an officer. So I'm not naming that, sir. Sir, I want to know, okay, when was he posted there, sir? Why was he posted there? When was the Hydra GO issued? Can the minister tell me? When was the GO on formation of Hydra was challenged in High Court? What were the orders given by the High Court? And what are the powers of the GHMC, sir? Sir, in the independent authority, के लिए बस चले जा रहे हैं, जहां जहां चाहे वहां पर जाके मार दे रहे हैं. When was the judgment delivered by the Telangana High Court stating that the Hydra lacked statutory backing and powers? So today we are bringing in the law to give the statutory backing to Hydra, sir. It is very sad, sir. It is very sad that. Sir, मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं, sir, if any illegal structure is coming up, so why are we not initiating the action on the negligence of the officers who had closed their eyes and, allowed the structure to come into existence? बिल्डिंग बनी जब तक क्या कर रहे थे सर? और बिल्डिंग बन जाती है, लोग रहते हैं, सब कुछ होता है, उसके बाद में उसको तोड़ दिया जाता है. एक इंसान अपनी पूरी जिंदगी की मेहनत और कमाई लगाकर एक घर बनाता है, एक आशियाना बनाता है, एक झोपड़ी बनाता है, और रातों रात सुबह सवेरे बुलडोजर आते हैं, पुलिस के साथ, पुलिस पकड़ती है और बुलडोजर के जरिए उस गरीब का घर को ढा दिया जाता है. अरे हम तो समझ रहे थे कि कांग्रेस की हुकूमत आने के बाद में खुशी से गरीब इत्मीनान से रहेगा, लेकिन कुछ बनेगा, तेलंगाना उभरेगा, तेलंगाना तरक्की करेगा. लेकिन साल डेढ़ साल में अगर हमने कुछ देखा है तो यही देखा है कि घरों को टूटता हुआ, बिल्डिंगों को टूटता हुआ, सब टूट रहा है, टूट रहा है, टूट रहा है. अगर कुछ बनता हुआ देखा तो सिर्फ एक तेलंगाना तल्ली को बनता हुआ देखा, उसके अलावा क्या हुआ है नहीं मालूम. सर, एंड देन आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू नो sir, and under GHMC Act, it is the statutory functioning cannot be assigned to an outside agency. So why was this work been allotted to the outside agency called by Hydra, sir? Why was it allotted, sir? Sir, I would like to know, when was the ordinance promulgated by the governor to amend the GHMC Act to insert new section 374B? कब हुआ सर? ये हुआ ही नहीं कभी भी. GHMC Act is there. This is purely illegal, sir. Sir, and whatever activities in demolition action taken by the Hydra before its formation on 20th July 2024 and till the promulgation of ordinance on 30/9/2024, what is the legality of these actions, sir? And who's responsible for these actions, sir? Did they have the legal powers to take up the demolition? No. Were they authorized to take that action? No. When was the ordinance given? Ordinance was issued later on. But before that, so many demolitions happened. After the ordinance now, a bill has been introduced and it will become an act from today. But let me correct you and say that, sir. If today also this bill is passed and the act is enacted, the act will not come into force unless and until, sir, the governor signs and assigns on that. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Thank you, sir. What about today's newspaper's advertisement? Is it right? Is it right? That's what, sir. That's what. बिल पास नहीं हुआ और एड में लिखते हैं कि इट्स एन एक्ट. वाह वाह. या यस यस. भूभारती एक्ट. आप सर, there is no respect, sir. What about the privilege of this house, sir? I want to question, sir.